Hey guys, hope you're good. Welcome to Analyze Forex with me, where I will be breaking down some of the currency pairs, doing some analysis and Forex education as well. So today we are talking support resistance, how to trade support resistance like a pro. In my screen here, you're gonna see a chart here, right? So simple terms, support and resistance is places or areas where the price tend to go a different direction. So just like here where the price it was going up and then tend and go down, so this becomes a resistance level, this becomes a support, right? But now here the aim of this video is to teach you how to trade them, and also to avoid the fake outs. So you want to trade like a pro. So let's say the price came here and went down, right? You're gonna draw your resistance level, right? The price came here and went up. This is your resistance level, this is your support level. But now here's the catch: the price went here and then came and then eventually gave you a wick and then eventually gave you a fake breakout. So now we want to avoid situations like this, like entering too early, right? So now that we know that support and resistance on its own is not enough, it's not enough to trade, right? But we are trading using support and resistance, but it's not enough, right? We need more evidence that now the price is going to go down. The first one is this one, that okay, the last time the price was in this area, it went down. Check. So now there's another check that we need to add, which is the candlestick pattern, right? So I'm not gonna go too deep into candlestick pattern, there's a lot of them. I'm gonna make video about them as well, but you need to study the candlestick pattern. I'm gonna give you a very easy one, right? If you look at these two candles, right, this red one means bearish, means it's going down. The green ones means bullish, means it's going up, right? So when you see candles like this, take them as two bulls, right? The green bull and the red bull. So if you look at these two candles, which one is bigger, which one is smaller? If you look at these two candles, let me zoom in. If you look at these two candles, which one is big, which one is small? Obviously the red one. That means that these two candles, they were fighting and then this one won the fight. What this candle did was manage to swallow almost 3 candles, right? Now that's your highlight, that's your jaw drop. That's where now you need to start looking, because now you've seen this candle being aggressive. This is what we call an engulfing candle. This is what you call an engulfing candle. Looking at a candle that is bigger than, you know, the opponent, should I put it in that way. It chowed 2 candles, almost 3 of them. Very aggressive candle. This is what we look for. So if we are in this area, we don't just be like, okay, this is just support and resistance. This is the last time when the price was in this area, this is what it did, it went down and then we enter. No, we don't do that. We have to add a second check. Some traders as well, they add a third check, which is a pattern. Some they also use a breakout, but for now I'm just gonna keep it simple. Just 2 checks. Engulfing, you look at the candle that's gonna chow at least 2 minimum, right? Once it is those two candles, then you know that something is about to happen right now. I like this one. A lot of traders would have entered and be like, okay, this ending out, it only charted one candle, but this is not enough. I need more aggressive. So in your strategy, always look for 2 or more. If you get 2 or more around this area where the price needs to go down, then that's where you enter, right? And you put a stop loss right behind where your price came back, right? And then your target is your next support, right? So a recap: the reason why we did not enter here is because we did not get the 2 candle being consumed. If you also study the candlestick pattern, you'll see that this candle is also a bearish candle, even though it's green, but it's still a bearish candle. This is a big wick. A lot of traders have already got in here and probably put their stop losses around here, and then now they got charred here. Because why? They only use one candlestick pattern, right? So there are a lot of candlestick patterns. The one that I gave you is the easiest. So you gotta go there and study them. I'll also put some of the video when I get a chance. I'm gonna post a video of it, of how to use the candles. But you're not gonna use the candles alone. You need to use them in conjunction with something. Just like here, I've used support and resistance in conjunction with the candlestick pattern, which is the engulfing one. Then look at this. This is my target. Does the price hit my target? Even if it doesn't, I mean, looking at here, this is 1 to 3 raised to what? Even if I had, decided to exit around this area when the price is starting to jingle around, doing the up and down here, I'll still be in profit. But obviously the ultimate target would be here, right? I'm gonna go to my right and see if the candle did hit the TP. But obviously it took a little bit longer, but at the end of the day, it did hit the TP. It depends on how long you are willing to hold the trade. So yeah, that's it from my side. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, please do not forget to put it on the comments below. And as well, if there is any technique that you want me to explain, to simplify for you, leave it on the comments, so I'll make a video with it. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video.